Hey friends, what is your favorite soup to have on a cold winter's day? Drop it down in the comments and let me know what your favorite soup is. Good evening friends and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make an amazing soup. It is super cold outside and what better time than now to make a nice hearty soup to feed your entire family. We are going to make Italian meatball soup. So let's get started. All right friends, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get started on our meatballs. I've got 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound of ground pork in one bowl. To this, I'm going to add a half a cup of breadcrumbs. And these are plain breadcrumbs. You can use any kind of flavor that you have. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now for the binder, you're going to add 1 egg. Now go ahead and mix this all together. All right, friends, so once you have your meatball all done, you can either roll them by hand. I happen to get a little scooper, and it's perfect size for my meatballs. Just go ahead and scoop it up, make it into a little ball, and put it on your baking dish. And just keep going with all of them until you have used up all of your meatball meat. All right, friends, so my meatballs are all done. They are now ready to go into the oven. I have it set on broil, and I'm going to broil it for 5 minutes on each side. So 5 minutes on the top, and then I'll flip them and put them in for another 5 minutes. All right, friends, so now that our meatballs are in the oven cooking, we're going to work on our vegetable part. I've got some carrots here that I went ahead and took the skin off. I'm going to go ahead and chop these into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to chop up my onions. All right, friends, now that my veggies are all chopped up, I have 6 cups of chicken stock. I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies. A 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I chose Italian flavored tomatoes, and 1 jar of my homemade tomato sauce. I'm going to go ahead and get this on the stove and start boiling. I will taste it later to see if I need to add any more seasoning to it, but I always season my chicken stock when I am boiling a chicken. All right, friends, so my meatballs are all done and my soup is boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and add my meatballs to my boiling soup now. All right, friends, so the next thing I'm going to add is my rotoli pasta. I'm going to go ahead and add the whole 16-ounce box of rotoli pasta to my soup. Now, the soup will be done once my noodles are perfectly cooked, so I'll see y'all back when the soup is done. All right, friends, our soup is done. So let me go ahead and pour a bowl of this so you can see how delicious this looks. And there we go, friends, Italian meatball soup. Your family is going to love this, and it's perfect on a cold, cold night. So I hope you enjoy this video, friends, and I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.